Sanibonani mphakathi waseThwathwa. Councillor Mzwakhe Khumalo was 66 Gauteng eKuruleni. After the video ngi-circulator last week, I responded by going to the clinic to the management to get their side of the story. I also went to visit family and mawubheka nje lesimo sizeke last week asibanga sihle at all, asibanga sihle ukuthi umama aphelele emotweni, ubaba ngapha khona ne video shootayo ehamba ihlukumeza labantwana, yabona. So kubhlungu senzo esibhlungu esenzakele lesana and engifuna ukucela nje ebantwini ukuthi in case if kuna ama situation efana lawa izani phambili nikhulume ni report ku management ye clinic, there's quality assurance department there, nikhulume nayo whatever dissatisfaction eninayo umphakathi, izani nikhulume ne quality assurance team izokhona ukuthi i-respond kulawo ma concern akhona, because I think indaba ye video at some point it was wrong, because manje umama undlulile emhlabeni and ifamily say busy bonana le video na wonke umuntu uyayibona le video, so ifamily is traumatized and ayithandi lokwenzakalayo le circulation le video.